So the current distribution of wealth, where I think it's 8 people control more than the other 50% of the population in the U.S. This kind of vast consolidation of money. It makes sense from this kind of natural biological economics of life, of trying to consolidate the control to replicate more. But yes, as I've said, this is what the crux. The problem isn't that isn't getting more money to consolidate more. The problem is money is being consolidated, and other we're still in patriarchy. We're still in patriarchy. The problem is we're still in patriarchy. We're still consolidating the control. We're still doing these kind of instinctual things, which does nothing but destroy the systems and diminish their power. Every step away from that kind of patriarchy and hoarding has caused all the progress in this world, we say. Instead of hoarding the control, we spent free education and making welfare programs, safety nets, and healthcare as a free, as a right. So all that kind of stuff has contributed to the development of our civilization, growing out of this abusive patriarchy. With that, use this as power, and does not see this, and does not see this. It just sees this, and gets it, because that's what spreads the genes. Natural selection has evolved life just to see this, and this is mainly, and this is used for replicatory purposes. We can't have, if you don't have control, then you have a mate. You don't have territory for resources. You don't have a position in dominance hierarchy to which enables you to mate. So that control, life is really ingrained to see as power, but it's not the whole equation. No. In contrast, we'll cover again, in contrast to this more maternal understanding of power, which understands as it's not just the control, but it's the physical systems you're controlling. And it's not just control, and it's both of these in their sum, or times, and equals their power. Control and systems, and be better. It equals the power. So that's what you're trying to get in this familial organization, is you're trying to spend the control on the systems to get power, instead of just don't even see it. It's just that, and we got to get it no matter what. Climate change is a big deal. Whatever, man, gotta get, we just keep doing it, despite all these kind of catastrophic things that happen. There's structural violence, there's all kinds of bad, there's pollution, the air, we can't breathe the air, we can't drink the water, we can't eat the food. It's just a big polluted mess, because all we're looking at is that, and not this, and power. So, yes. So and as with all these things, it's not so much there's a dichotomy of familial and alpha predator male societies, but rather there is a continuum from alpha predator male to familial.